Here we have a Grob vertical bandsaw. We got it hooked up to 460 volt, 3-phase power. We're going to turn it on and show you that it works. It does come with a work light, and it also comes with a blade welder, which will show you that working. But first, we're going to turn it on and show you the speeds. We'll make a cut, and then we'll do the weld. Okay, so you can adjust your speed right here. So we're gonna go get your eye on the blade and we'll change the speed. So that right there is like slow speed. We'll go the other one here. So you can see it speeding up a little bit. Okay. Now we're on low speed and we're going to change it. In order to change it, you got to shut it down. And just keep your eye on the blade right there. So you got to put it on neutral and you go on high. Okay, so this should be your high speed right here. The difference right there as far as the speed. And we're gonna tone it down just a little bit here, so we're gonna turn it off to set it. Alright, so we're gonna go on neutral, and we're gonna go on high and low right there. So that's like an in-between speed. Okay, we can work with that. We're gonna cut this plate right here. Cut this one here, a little bit thicker. Now we're going to do the welder. Okay, so we're going to do the blade welder right now. And we got this piece hooked up, ready to go. Alright, so that is the blade welder on the Grob bandsaw.